How to enable or disable keyboard auto spacing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, so click on Samsung keyboard settings. Now here, so click on more typing option. So after click on more typing option, so click on auto spacing. So after click on auto spacing, so if you want to disable auto spacing, so turn off this button, you will see auto spacing is disabled. So if you want to enable auto spacing, so turn on this button, you will see auto spacing is enabled. So you will enable or disable auto spacing from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable keyboard auto spacing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.